Hello, sometimes there are instances when your vending machine says that make another selection, but everything seems to be working fine, but for some reason when you press the button, then it will say make another selection. So I'll show you how to fix the problem. So when you go to your vending machine, sometimes when you press when you're leaving your location, of course you have to check that all the selections are working. So when you press like A0, so everything seems to be working. A2, then B0, it says make another selection. So there are two scenarios on this problem. Either there's a loose connection inside the vending machine, or sometimes that the machine has to be reset. So I'll show you how to do it. So what you do is you turn off the machine. Turn off the machine first. You have to wait for a few seconds or maybe 10 seconds, then you turn on the machine again. Yeah, so most cases it works just by switching the turning off the power, then turning it on again. But sometimes depressing the selection, it will still say make another selection. So what we do is we have to configure the price and make sure that there's price on the second row. So we have to set the prices again one by one in order for the prices to be set inside the computer. There's a control board, so the control board acts like a computer. So we have to set the prices again just to be sure. Let's see if this works. B2, that's 150. B0 should be 225. Then B4, B6 respectively should be 150. So B4, B6. So everything's working now. So normally under these circumstances is you have to turn off the power, then turn it on again, then you set the prices again. Then normally under these circumstances the make another selection error will be resolved. For some reason most of the problem on this type of make another selection is on the LCM Snack Shop series machine made by the AP. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you.